Top 8 tips to help you develop and maintain motivation. Be honest with yourself. Be ready to change your old ways and commit to what you want to achieve. You must be willing to do the work that is necessary to change your life. No excuses. When you start moving towards your dream, many forces in the universe align and begin to work in your favor, making possible the creation and realization of great and wonderful things in your life that we sometimes call coincidences. Here are 8 motivational tips. 1. Don't sit still. Be clear about what you want, and start moving, and gain momentum. In the beginning, you may not go in the direction you want, but as long as you're moving, you're creating alternatives and possibilities. 2. Get things done. Be willing to do the little things that you can do, without being too concerned about the big things that you can't do. Otherwise, you'll end up doing nothing. 3. Keep your mind active. Think about everything all the time. Inspiration comes with action, and stray thoughts often lead to great ideas and solutions. 4. Learn to adapt. Adjust your efforts and yourself to what is presented to you, so you can respond accordingly. You'll discover that when you have long-term goals, you'll not be bothered, frustrated, or discouraged by short-term difficulties and setbacks. 5. Don't procrastinate. Recognize the fear that you may feel when attempting to move forward, but go ahead and do it anyway. Erase self-doubt by working to build your strengths instead of focusing on your weaknesses. 6. Face your problems and welcome them. Understand that they are part of life. They are teachers of valuable lessons, and they are the opportunities for your personal growth. 7. Take time to think. It's okay to be down occasionally. We all have those moments, but it's not okay to stay down. Let your subconscious mind point you the direction to the answer you're seeking. Adjust your direction if you don't like where you're going. 8. Don't stop. Remember that it may take a little time to get where you want to be, but if you pause and think for a moment, you will notice that you are no longer where you were. Keep going.